In this video, we will learn more about cubic polynomials. We will also learn how to draw their graph and also what are the zeros of cubic polynomials. So first of all, let us recap that what is a cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial is a polynomial having maximum degree of 3. For example, x cube minus 4x or just x cube or x cube plus 3x square minus 3x plus 1. So these are all cubic polynomials and all of these have a maximum degree of 3. So these are all cubic polynomial. Now we will see that how to draw their graph. So for drawing the graph, let us first want to draw the graph of say x cube minus 4x. So what we need to do is first we need to make a table. We need to make a table of x and y. So we take like this. So let's take this is x and this is y. So what we have to do is y is equal to, now when x is 0, what is y? Y will be, if we substitute in this polynomial the value of x equal to 0, then y is also equal to 0. So I'm just writing here x cube minus 4x. When we say y is 1, then x is 1, then the value x is 1, so 1 cube minus 4, so it will become minus 3. And when we take x equal to 2, then y will become 0. X equal to 3, y will become 15. And x equal to 4, y will become 48. Similarly, if we take on the negative side, x is minus 1. Then what happens to y? Y becomes plus 3. X is minus 2. Then y is 0. X is minus 3. Then y is 15. Minus 15. And x is minus 4. Then it is minus 48. Now once we get these points, then what we need to do is we need to take a graph paper, and on that graph paper we need to draw the value of x and y. So we take the graph paper. First we create a Cartesian plane, and then we start drawing the point. So first point is x is 0, y is 0. Second is x is 1, y is minus 3. So x is 1, y is minus 3. X is 2, y is 0. X is 3, then y is going 15 somewhere here. Right, very high. In fact, it will be somewhere here. X is 4, it will be somewhere here. X is minus 1, then y is plus 3. So it is plus 3. Minus 2, it is 0. This is x, this is x dash. This is y, this is y dash. And when x is minus 3, then again minus 3, and it is going very below, and x is 4, and it is going somewhere here. Now we need to first join these points, and then like this, and then we know that it is, and then it is going like this. So this is 1, 2, 3. This is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. So now if we see that this is the graph of cubic polynomial y equal to x cube minus 4x. And if we see that this graph cuts x-axis at 3 points. One is this point, and third is this point. At these 3 points, we can see it also from the table. Wherever value of x is 0, wherever the value of y is 0, then it means those are the points. These are the 3 points. These are the 3 points at which the graph is cutting. So, and these are the zeros of the polynomial. So, zero of the polynomials are x is 0, and x is 2, and x is minus 2. So, for this cubic polynomial, there are 3 zeros. Zeros of polynomial. And these are the points where the value of this polynomial is 0 or a given value of x. So the value of the polynomial, that means y is equal to 0. And we can solve this equation algebraically also. X cube minus 4x. We know that x is common. And then we are left with x square minus 2. Sorry, x square minus 4, which is equal to x into x square minus 2 square. And therefore it will become x into x minus 2 into x plus 2. So this is one factor, this is another factor, and this is third factor. So this will give x equal to 0. This will give us x equal to 2. And this will give us x equal to minus 2. So these are the 3 factors. So what we understand so far about the cubic polynomial is that it is having a maximum degree of 3, and then we can draw the graph by first making a table and substituting the value of x incrementally on both sides, and then wherever it is cutting the x-axis, where this graph is cutting the x-axis, those are the zeros of the polynomial. And a cubic polynomial can have 1 0 or 2 0 or 3 zeros. Maximum it will have 3 zeros. That means it will have maximum 3 solutions. Or it may not have any zero. So basically 4 situations can happen. There is no zero at all, or there is 1 0, or there is 2 zeros, and maximum it can have 3 zeros. For example, if we draw the graph of this polynomial just x cube, we will find it has only 1 0, which is x is equal to 0. There is no other zero for this polynomial. So what we have learned in this video, we have learned about the cubic polynomial. We know that it is having the degree of 3, and also we learned how to draw the graph of cubic polynomial, and the concept of the zeros of the cubic polynomial. Basically, it can have either no zero or a maximum up to 3 zeros. Thank you.